has been stolen from indigenous hands. I don't wanna talk about Shackleton, I don't like Christopher Columbus Day. This land wasn't discovered, it was taken. The history taught in public schools turns land into profit and makes heroes or fools. They forget to tell us this land was taken. This land, it is your land. This land is not my land. This land is not their land. It never was. The broken treaties and the spreading of disease. This land has been stolen from indigenous hands. Took children from their parents and locked them away to make savage civilians and to teach them to pray. We bear witness to assimilation. They call themselves Christians with a one-two faith, preach the goodness of heaven and hearts free of hate, but their intolerance brought humiliation. This land, it is your land. This land is not my land. This land is not their land. It never was. The broken treaties and the spreading of disease. This land has been stolen from indigenous hands. I set those women deafened by a home and native land, trained as a chorus to a thinking we stand, and to a shared colonization. Tired of this narrative, I'm tired of these lies. No more patriotic lullabies. We won't sleep through indoctrination. We won't sleep through indoctrination. This land, it is your land. This land is not my land. This land is not their land. It never was. The broken treaties and the spreading of disease. This land has been stolen from indigenous hands. This land, it is your land. This land is not my land. This land is not their land. It never was. The broken treaties and the spreading of disease. This land has been stolen from indigenous hands.